Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do the data analysis. We're going to do the histogram. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your cursor right here, and then we are going to go up here to data, and then over here to the right it says data analysis. Alright, so when that pops up, we're going to find histogram, okay, and then hit OK. Alright, so this stuff's going to pop up. It's going to have your input range. Okay, your input range is going to be this part right here. So your cubes. So you're going to do B6 all the way down to your last cube, which is right here. Okay. Then our bin range is going to be this right here. So where it says bin range, you're going to highlight the first bin and then select all of the bins. Okay. And then the output range is where you want the output to be, so that's where we put this cursor right here where we selected. Okay, and then, oh, sorry, it messed up. Let's do the input range. Okay, so then the output range is going to be here, and then we're going to do chart output, because that's going to give you your histogram. Okay, so these should all be, this part right here, input range, is this length. The bin range is these values. You want the output range to where you want the table to go, and then click chart output. So then you're going to hit OK. Alright, so what it did is it's giving you your bins. So it's saying that 1 block was in this range, 0 blocks were in this, so on and so forth. 13 fell in this one range, 5 in this, and then 6 in this one. Okay, so we want to take our histogram and we're going to just drag it over here so it kind of fits. Alright, so we want to modify it. So you're going to click on the word histogram and you're going to change that to, let's change it to cube side lengths. Okay, and then instead of the bin, we're going to put length in inches. Okay. Alright, so what you want to do now is once we get this all done, let's go ahead and do this first. So you're going to go to File here, and you're going to do Save as an Adobe PDF. Okay, so you're going to hit that, click, and we want just the sheet, and we're going to do Convert to PDF. Okay, it says it needs to save it before continuing, so I would hit Yes. Okay, and then you're going to name it whatever you want to name it. Okay, and go on and so forth to save it. Alright, but let's go back. Okay, once you have it saved, you're going to have your PDF file. So let's look here at your side lengths. Remember we talked about the quality of the cubes, where not all of them are going to be exactly 3/4 of an inch. If you notice, most of them fall within this 0.7495 area, and then you've got these other ones that kind of lie outside of it. But if you were to do the bell curve, you see the bell curve goes up like this, and then comes down like this. So this is what a bell curve is called. So you notice that this one right here is sticking out, and if you hover over it, it will tell you how many are in there. Mine's not working very well. It kind of showed up. Let's try this one. If you get it just right, it'll tell you how many are in there. So I think this has got 1, this has got 1, and this has got 1. So basically this area right here is what you're looking for. The block that lies in this area, and this area, these are outliers. So basically what that means is that you want to find out which block was this one, which block this one was, and which block that one was, and throw those out. Okay, so it looks like my smallest one, which is the 0.3, let's see, that would be this one. So I would throw out block 7. And then my other large ones were my 0.76. So block 6, 7, and it looks like 15. Okay, so I would go ahead and discard those blocks. Don't throw them away, just put them back in the block box. And then pick 3 more, and then measure them. And in order for them to be part of your puzzle, you want them to measure in this range right here, because that's where most of your cubes are. Okay, because that's going to give you a better fitting. Okay, so then once you're done, I'm going to show you how to print it. You're going to print it, you're going to cut it down, and you're going to put it in your notebook. All All right, if you have any questions, please let me know. Just make sure that yours looks approximately like this. It should look pretty close. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect as far as the formatting, but you need all of your side links here with your sum, all of your data, your bins here, this is your frequency chart, and then this is your histogram. All right, thanks.